Hello and welcome back, guys. So, in this particular problem, we need to check if a value is in a dictionary or not, right? So, what we can do is we know there is a get method that comes with dictionary. So, what we can do is return, and in a dict, what happens is if we have dictionary one, right? So, we can just to get the value and other argument or parameter that this argument that we can pass to this get method is that we can pass any default value where if we don't find it, right? So when we get this, right, so of course we will be getting some kind of value over here. Right, so uh, 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 get val, right? Okay, it seems like it's a values thing, huh? Because we are given two over here, right? So we have a dictionary and then whether that values exist or not. So maybe perhaps what we can do is values, right? This should give us a list and we can simply do val in, right? I think this should work, huh? This should work. I believe so. Let's run it. Great, it works, right? It works as we expected because values would give us a list and we are just checking whether it's in there or not. Right, let's submit our code. Let's see other people's solution as well, how they have done it. I was thinking about get. If it is the keyword, we could have used the get method on it, but others have done something similar. Okay, so that's how we can basically solve it. This is not required, the list thing. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.